my loves, I am delighted to gift you this free printable that matches my sandwich folio. We've got this lovely card at the front here, and it's got an advert at the back, this gorgeous vintage advert for this club sandwich. Inside we've got a little tuck spot here that's got space for the menu and also this little folding toast card. So there you go, simple little make. It stands alone as a quirky little card, and it also has been designed to match the club sandwich. Let's have a look at this before we make the free printable. We've got this gorgeous belly band here, look, and we've got the sandwich itself. We open the sandwich. Oh, I'd forgotten about those. Look, we've got slices of cucumber and tomato with some herbs on there. We've got this folding gherkin card because why wouldn't we? Why wouldn't we? We've got this holy cheese here. Look, you can see through that. You've got lots of writing spaces on these pages. We've got this lettuce page. We've got the bacon page, and the bacon is actually a hidden slider card, and this opens out. So we've got loads of writing space on the bacon page. Turning it over, we've got writing spaces on these tomato slices here. We've also got another hidden card, and that is the olives there. That tucks in here like this. There. Then we've got this toast, because it is a club sandwich, so you get another toasted layer in the middle. Then we've got this fried egg, and that's got writing space all over there. You can write on these as well. There. Then we've got the ham with tomatoes. Again, we've got another hidden writing space here, which is the tomatoes. And then we've got onions and cucumber. We've got writing spaces here. I'd love to see circular writing in those layers there. And then we turn it over and we're back to the beginning. Now this really tickled me. It was designed for Father's Day and beyond, obviously, because it's glorious and it needs to be made for all sorts of occasions. And it's got the best thing since sliced bread on it, paying a nod to fathers and Father's Day. But also, when wondering what to get for a gift, you can just say, here, I made you a sandwich. And that really appealed to me. Let's make this free printable. So I've got my bits and bobs cut out. I'm on 200 gram. You can go 250 if you want to. Not reverse printed. Everything comes on one sheet. So it's a lovely quick make, this one. We've got this lovely folding card. Welcome to Betty's Sandwich Bar, which we're just going to fold in half. You don't need a video for this one, really. It's so simple and straightforward. And then we've got the actual toast card, which says the best thing since sliced bread. Folding that in half. We've got our lovely little ticket here, and we've got the menu as well. And you can do what you like with these, but my idea here is to make a little pocket out of this one, or a little tuck spot out of this one, and then your sandwich can go in there, and so can your menu. Now then, up to you, my loves. If you want to just glue down the sides there, you can do. Or you can make a tuck spot just by gluing across the bottom there. And I think that's what I'm going to do. It's quite tight. If you were going to glue, you can see that you just have to glue these very edges here. I think I'm going to make a tuck spot by gluing across the bottom. So I'm going to position this where it needs to be. Let's pop this in place behind. Make sure I can get my actual sandwich in there. Turn this over. I can see what I've got to play with there. So I'm going to glue this section across the bottom here. Turn it back over. Pop it in place. Make sure everything's sitting nicely and square and it all fits. And then just glue that bottom down. And that is it, my loves. We've done it. We've made the little card. Our folded toast card there goes in there. We've got our little menu in there. The ticket holds it all together. And there's your little card that fits in there like that. You don't have to purchase this one. You're very welcome to, obviously, if you want to, but this will stand alone as a nice little Father's Day card. So there you go, my loves. Enjoy the free printable. Get this one if it moves you. Have loads and loads of fun, and I will see you next time.